letter A to letter E. Okay, are you ready, KG1?
Yeah!
Are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay, let's start. Where is letter A? Where is letter A? Okay, yes, letter A. Where are you going? I'm going to the apple. Where is the apple? Yes, apple. Sound the A. Bravo. Thank you, letter A. What is that? Letter B. What is letter B? Yes, letter B. Where are you going? I'm going to the pool. Yes? Yeah, the pool. Sound the B. Ba. Ba. Sound the B. Ba. Ba. Yes. After that, where is letter C, girls? Where is letter C? Yes. This is letter C. Where are you going? I'm going to the cat. Cat, cat, cat. Sound the C. Cat, cat. Okay. Thank you, letter C. After that, letter D. Where is letter D? D, D. D. Yes, this is letter D. Thanks, girls. Where is letter D? Where are you going? I'm going to the dog. Yes, thank you. Letter D sound da, 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 da. Okay. After that, letter E. Where is letter E? Hello, letter E. Okay. Where are you going? I'm going to the egg. Thank you, Sufyan. Very good. Egg. Sound the E. Sound the E. No, no. Elephant. Okay. Let's song together. Okay.